Morning guys, today is Saturday 23rd I think of November 2019. Today I am not ready for parkrun. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I thinking? What's going on? So today I'm delving in other possibilities of my life. My husband's leaving ground recycling as a mechanic, which means I have to start work from 6 in the morning rather than 9. Poor me. So I decided to look what else is out there. Maybe I can do the same hours but for more money. I have been spoiled enough, so why not? Today I'm going for an interview to XPO Logistics. They've advertised for HGV Class 2 tanker ADR driver. But there's possibility of more money if I have class 1, if I have ADR, if I have CPC. So I'm gonna go and see them today and see what they can offer me. If they can offer me anything else, anything better, anything nice, I might just have a new job next year. We'll see how it goes. Don't wish me luck because you're not gonna see this until I actually get some sort of different job, if I get a different job. So yes, all I can do is just do my best. See how my new job if it ever happens. The interview went well. He seems to be very eager to employ me. I said to him I will let him know. I still don't know. I need lots to think about, obviously. But on the whole, it looks really, really good. Hi! Hi! That's my Erichka. She is my niece. So it's in Cullum, so it's 10-15 minutes drive, so it's closer to me than Kidlington at the moment, and I can actually cycle it to work and back, which is really quite enticing for me. I like that. So yeah, just ironing out some bits and pieces, and hopefully he will wait for me until I give notice to my current job, and we'll take it from there. Evening guys. Tonight is 12th of December 2019 and I'm getting ready to go out because tonight is my new company's Christmas party in Oxford. Even though I'm not technically employed with them yet, they want to get to know me. And it's really nice that they want to include me already, so I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling grateful. I'm feeling appreciated already. I only done one shift for them so far, so it must have went well. So it's going to be in Oxford. It's going to be Chinese buffet. I love Chinese food. And drinks. I'm going to stick to red wine because I don't want a hangover. And I've already started on red wine in my champagne glass because my wine glasses are all dirty. I can start drinking now because they are providing a minibus with a few stops to pick up different drivers from different places. They're going to pick me up from Dickett, they're going to drop me off from Dickett, so I can drink, relax, meet everybody, get to know everybody, and hopefully have fun.
Stays under the nickname of Zozo. And just say one shout for Zoe. She's going to be appearing on the new series of Fox Christian's Embarrassing Puppies. She goes on Dr. Christian's programme, and the reason she goes on there is because she has the rampant rabbit stuck where the sun doesn't shine.
No, it's not YouTube.
And Dr. Christian has a look. You're going to take yourself out of it?
The driver, the barmaid, the boys, he says a lot.
Boys be boys, girls be like girls.
Settling up. Morning guys, today is Monday, 23rd of December 2019, beginning of a new era for me as well. I jumped ship, I'm going full time to XPO. They've waited for me an extra week. They wanted me to start on the 16th, but I just wanted to finish off the year at my old company. So they kindly waited, and today I'm starting full time with them. So hopefully I will get some nice pallets today, a nice run today. I already know I'm driving 18 plate today, class 2. Yes, I'm looking forward to it, excited. It's 20 to 7 in the morning. I actually get a lie-in instead of waking up at 5. I get up at 6 because they don't start till 7, and it's only about 10-minute drive. So much closer, more money. Happy days. Here's my truck for today. Did my checks and did my curtains. Almost. Just need to go and get loaded. Idea today got me loaded. I don't know. For the diggers. There goes the moms. Unloading. Has a place and a half. Lots of JCBs. Whoa. And little me.